Let us, student, consider some important points about digestion. Absorption of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates absorbed by active and passive absorption. So glucose, galactose absorbed by active transport. In this transportation, sodium pump is functional. Fructose by passive transport. There are some carrier proteins which facilitates this transportation of fructose. Second one is amino acid. Amino acid is the smallest unit of protein, so it is also absorbed by active transport into our blood. And water and electrolytes, water soluble vitamins absorbed in small intestine, especially small intestine, and some amount of water also absorbed by large intestine. Vitamin B12 requires CIF factors for absorption, gases, intrinsic factors which come out from the parietal cells of the stomach. So this is the absorption of carbohydrates and protein. Now students, absorption of lipid is little bit different from carbohydrates and protein, because carbohydrates and proteins, all the smallest unit absorbed in blood stream into the blood vessels, but lipid absorbed in the lymph capillaries, which is called lacteal, and it is present in the small intestine. The structure is known as villi. It is finger-like structure, villi, and inside the villi there is a lymph vessels or capillary is present. Lymph capillary is present. So the starting of lipid, when bile juice secrete from the liver, it break down large molecules of fat globules into smaller one, and the structure is known micelle. So with the help of micelle, fatty acid, it is water soluble small droplets in which fatty acid, glycerol, steroid, fat soluble vitamins, all are absorbed in the villi, which are present in the small intestine, and it is very important structure for absorption of food.